Hi friends, welcome to Gentak channel. Today I am going to show how to prepare veg pakkoda crispy snacks recipe. For this recipe I have taken 1 potato, 1 carrot, some green peas. Next I am going to make it boiled carrot, potato and green peas. Carrot, potato, green peas have boiled. Next I have taken 1 tomato, some piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon fennel seed, cheese, half lemon, salt and chili powder. Now I am going to make it grind. I have added tomato, coriander leaf, some pieces of ginger. Next we can add the boiled carrot and potato and green peas. Without adding water, I am going to make it grind. I will cut the potato and I will add into the blender. Next I am going to add cheese. I have added, this is melted cheese. Add cheese into the blender. Next add fennel seed. 1 tablespoon fennel seed I have added, and 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon chili powder I have added. Next I am going to add the lemon juice. From the half lemon I have added lemon juice. Next I am going to grind it. Without adding water, we have to make it paste. Next I have taken banana flour. This is banana flour. This one I have prepared the paste. From the paste I have taken little. Next I have taken 100 gram besan powder, besan flour. You have to mix like this, banana flour, and we have prepared the stuff. Next I have added the besan powder. Everything you have to mix well. You have to mix like this. Without adding water, I am mixing. Next you have to soak it for 5 to 10 minutes. The batter is ready. Next you can switch on the gas stove, keep the pan, add oil. If the oil is heated, you can add the mixer. You have to take little and you have to spread like this. You have to add everything like this. Next you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Both sides have to cook well. You have to take little and you have to spread like this. I have added everything. If one side is cooked means we can turn into the next side. Both sides have to cook well. Both sides the color have to change. If the color has changed means you can transfer into the plate. Now the color has changed. I am going to transfer into the plate. Healthy and tasty crunchy snacks recipe is ready. You also try it and enjoy it. Veg pakkoda recipe is ready. Thank you.